Today, we are about to uncover some mind blowing secrets that most people don't know about the sheer power of natural herbs in boosting the immune system. So, grab your favorite cozy blanket, maybe a cup of tea, and let's dive headfirst into the absolute magic that is natural herbs in the battle against winter woes. Get ready to be amazed, and let's roll.
Benefits from soothing sore throats to easing flu symptoms. We'll also touch on lesser-known remedies like marshmallow root, chamomile flowers, walnut leaves, and oak bark that can be particularly effective for respiratory infections in the throat and nose area. As we journey into the world of natural remedies, you'll gain valuable insights into how to better equip yourself for the cold and flu season. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of natural remedies. First on our list is Echinacea, a powerful herb known for its immune-boosting properties. This purple coneflower isn't just a pretty face. It's a heavyweight in the world of herbal remedies, particularly when it comes to fighting off the common cold and flu. Echinacea works by increasing the number of white blood cells in our bodies, which are our first line of defense against infection. It can be taken in many forms, from teas and tinctures to capsules and lozenges, making it a versatile addition to your herbal medicine cabinet. But remember, timing is key. Start taking Echinacea at the first sign of a cold for the best results. And while it's generally safe for most people, those with autoimmune disorders should exercise caution, as Echinacea can stimulate the immune system and potentially exacerbate symptoms. Now that we've explored Echinacea, let's move on to another fantastic herb, elderberry. Next up is elderberry, a herb celebrated for its antiviral properties. This small purple fruit packs a punch when it comes to warding off cold and flu symptoms. Elderberries are rich in vitamins A and C, boosting your immune system while their bioflavonoids assist in fighting off viruses. To use elderberry as a cold and flu remedy, consider taking it in syrup or lozenge form. When the first signs of a cold appear, consuming elderberry can help reduce the severity and duration of your symptoms. However, it's important to remember that while elderberry is generally safe for most people, it could cause problems for others. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as those with autoimmune diseases, should consult their healthcare provider before taking elderberry. So while elderberry is a potent weapon in the battle against the common cold and flu, it's not for everyone. With elderberry covered, we're ready to dive into our next potent herb, thyme. Now we're on to thyme, a herb with a rich history and medicinal use. Thyme, a common ingredient in our kitchen, is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's not just a flavor enhancer, but also a formidable ally in our fight against cold and flu. Thyme owes its medicinal properties to thymol, a natural compound with potent antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal qualities. When you're battling a cold, thyme can help by loosening mucus and soothing a sore throat. A simple way to harness its benefits is by preparing a thyme tea. Just steep a teaspoon of dried thyme in boiling water for 10 minutes, strain and sip. You can also add honey for taste and additional soothing effects. However, it's important to remember that while thyme is generally safe, it can cause allergic reactions in some people. So always start with small amounts and observe your body's reaction. Moving on, let's touch on some other notable herbs. Myrrh, an ancient resin, is known for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Anise, with its distinct sweet flavor, can help clear up congestion and soothe a cough. Fennel is another herb with a sweet, licorice-like taste that can help soothe coughs and sore throats. And last but not least, dandelion, often considered a garden pest, is packed with vitamins and can boost your immune system. All these herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and they continue to be relevant today as natural alternatives to over-the-counter cold and flu remedies. They offer a way to not just treat symptoms, but also to build overall health and immunity. But remember, herbs are powerful, and they should be used with knowledge and caution. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal remedy, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any chronic health conditions. Having explored these herbs, you might be wondering about recommendations for children and elderly people. Let's delve into that next. When it comes to children and the elderly, the approach to herbal remedies needs special attention. Both children and the elderly have unique physiological characteristics that can affect how they respond to herbal remedies. Children, with their developing immune systems and growing bodies, may react differently to certain herbs than adults. Similarly, the elderly, who often have multiple health concerns and take various medications, need to be cautious about potential interactions. Let's begin with the children. While echinacea, elderberry, and other herbs have many health benefits, it's essential to adjust the dosage for children. A common rule of thumb is to give children between the ages of 2 and 12 a dose that is 1/3 to 1/2 of the adult dose. For infants under 2, the dosage should be significantly lower, and it's always recommended to consult a healthcare provider before giving any herbal remedies to infants. Moving on to the elderly, they often have a higher risk of complications from cold and flu due to weakened immune systems or pre-existing conditions. Therefore, it's crucial to use herbal remedies with caution. Like children, the elderly may require an adjusted dosage, often lower than the standard adult dose. It's also important to consider any medications they may be on, as some herbs can interact with prescription drugs, leading to adverse effects. Whether we're talking about echinacea for boosting immunity, elderberry for its antiviral properties, or thyme for respiratory health, the power of these herbs cannot be overstated. However, their power must be harnessed carefully, especially when it comes to our most vulnerable, children and the elderly. Remember, while herbal remedies can be a potent tool in maintaining health and fighting illness, they should not replace medical advice or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen, especially for children and the elderly. With that essential information in mind, let's wrap things up. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring potent herbal remedies for the common cold and flu. Let's take a brief journey back through what we've learned. We started with echinacea, a powerful herb known for its immune-boosting properties. You discovered that it can not only help prevent colds and flu, but can also shorten the duration of these illnesses if they do take hold. Then we moved on to elderberry, a berry brimming with antioxidants. We learned that this humble fruit can help alleviate cold and flu symptoms and even prevent these ailments due to its antiviral properties. Our journey continued to the aromatic world of thyme. We found out that this herb is not only a culinary delight but also a respiratory savior. Its antiseptic properties can help in soothing coughs and relieving congestion. We also talked about other herbs like myrrh, anise, fennel, and dandelion. Each of these herbs has unique properties ranging from soothing sore throats to aiding digestion. For respiratory infections affecting the throat and nose, we learned that marshmallow root, chamomile flowers, walnut leaves, and oak bark can be quite effective. We then turned our attention to the special needs of children and elderly people. We emphasized the importance of adjusting dosages for these groups and taking extra precautions to avoid any potential side effects. In the end, we understand that nature has provided us with a treasure trove of remedies. Yet it's crucial to remember that these are not replacements for professional medical advice or treatment. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new remedy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these herbal remedies. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.
Hey there, fabulous viewers. Drop a comment below and let me know which tips resonated with you the most in today's video. Did you discover a new favorite herb or a surprising immune boosting hack? Also, I'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Catch you soon, and as always, stay awesome.